In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban boards in Goodday. Kanban boards are a simple visual way to see all of your work, where each task stands and what needs your attention next. In Goodday, they're especially useful for tracking projects from start to finish in a clean, organized view. Let's walk through how to get started and how to actually move work through your board. First, you'll want to select a project. When you open Goodday, you'll see a list of your projects on the left side or in your main workspace, depending on your layout. Take a moment to pick the project you want to manage using a Kanban board. It might be a team project, a personal workflow, or a client-related initiative. Click on that project to open it. This step is important because your Kanban board is always tied to a specific project, and the tasks you'll see will belong to that project only. Once you're inside the project, look for the option labeled Board. This is usually one of the available views for your project, alongside things like lists or timelines. Click on Board to open the Kanban view if it already exists. When it opens, you should see columns that represent different stages of your workflow, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Each card you see in these columns is a task in your project. If you don't see a Kanban board yet, or you want to add a new one, look for a plus sign in the Views area. This plus sign lets you add a new view to your project. Click on it, and then choose the Kanban or board option from the list. Give your board a clear, descriptive name so you and your team know what it's for, and confirm to create it. Goodday will then generate the board for you, pulling in the project's tasks. With your board ready, you can start managing your work visually. Simply click on a task card and drag it from one column to another. For example, when you begin working on a task, drag it from To Do into In Progress. Once it's finished, drag it into Done. This drag and drop motion is how you update the status of your tasks right from the board. It keeps everyone on the same page without needing to open each task individually. That's all you need to start using Kanban boards in Goodday. Select your project, open or create the board view, and drag tasks